Okay, let me go get my chat. We can chat in the Discord right now until the I'll get my YouTube chat. I don't know what my YouTube is. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Let me see. There it is. Okay. One second, please. If you're joining me, what's up? This is Crypto Trader, Antoine Young, however you want to call me. I don't care. Mining trades. Waiting on everybody to get here. Copy. What's up, everybody? Okay, this is Mining Trades right here. You can call me Crypto Trader. I don't care what you call me, to tell you the truth. Antoine Young. Thomas Crawford, what's up? Thanks for subscribing. I got a live position on right now. I want to show you guys real quick. Turn this shit off. Wow. Okay, yeah, get out of there. All those things popped up at the same time. This is BitMEX right here. I don't know if you guys can see that too clearly or not, but let me find my chat window here and pull this out before I start. What you want to do? See, notice this. This is Opera. BitMEX, they're restricted to allow people from the United States to trade. So what they want you to do is, you know, there's a way around that, and the more complicated way is just to go get, and this is complicated, just go get a VPN, download it or whatever you do, pay for it, you know, go, you know, pirate it or whatever the hell you do, go get a VPN. But that slows and bogs down your whole system, where all you could really, I just really, you know, I'm probably like the only one that knows about this. I don't know, no one has a video on it yet, but go get this Opera, go download that. It's just like Chrome. It's gonna have all your Chrome and shit in there. As soon as you open it up, you're gonna be straight as how all your bookmarks. Get that, and then up here at the top corner right here, it says VPN. When you when you first get this, you might have to, you know, fiddle around with it. It's cool. You can do your Messenger app right here. You can, I mean, you can do Facebook Messenger right here. You can do your Telegram right here. I think you can even put Discord right here. I think you can put Discord over here, but I haven't done it yet. So, but what's cool about this is that this VPN shit's built right in. That's the best thing, like, for real, because even Bitfinex has a problem with accepting US people. So I even though I don't trade on Bitfinex no more, because I think they scandalous. I think they you know, I think they're up to some. I kind of think NiceHash is up to something, but hell, I only had $50. I always took it out after I got to like 100, so I didn't really have nothing on there. But now that Litecoin is pumping like this, man, if I mine on NiceHash, oh yeah, I might be taking my shit out like as soon as I get to 100. That'll probably be like every day. Especially if we headed to 1,000. But you might want to click on this gear once you download it. Let me know in the chat if you guys get the download, so I can kind of walk you guys through this. Go download Opera. I've never had a problem with BitMEX. Their confirmations, they confirm there when you send them Bitcoin, they only accept Bitcoin right here at BitMEX. You can trade right from the chart. This shit is cool. This right here, I can move my stops up and down. Like I gotta take profit, right? I don't put stops on. I gotta take profit. Oh, I'm in profit. I had this thing in since yesterday morning, man. I'm telling you, I'm just now getting in profit. I've been waiting. This thing's been going up on me. I haven't taken it off. It's just been going up. Like, it's supposed to go down, right? According to my technical analysis. But it's taking longer to go down. So because it's taking longer to go down, it's gonna go down even further. So if it comes all the way down here to where I got my take profit right here, I can slide this up. See what I'm talking about? I can slide this up and take profit early if I want to. Like, but I want to take profit like around 13. I expect it. If I start seeing it pull back up, I'm going to take profit early. But if I let it go all the way down there, I'm gonna make a nice good amount of money, because I got $300 on here, leverage times 10 right here. I'm not going to click this because I can actually change it right now while I'm in a position. This is my leverage right here, this area right there. I'm going to go all through this again, so if you missed anything, don't worry about it. I'll go through it again. I'm not going nowhere. I'm probably going to be trading for a second. Let's see. But this is basically using your Bitcoin. You can sell, like I'm short. Like, you're like, how are you going to make money? Because I sold right here. I sold my Bitcoin right here at 10 times leverage. So I only had like 300. Well, yes, I went in here with 400, but I messed up and clicked this by accident, clicked 100, and then it liquidated me. So I lost 100. So then I went back in at 300 immediately after, because I already know it's coming down to 13. So these longs are getting liquidated. So people up here, they were long, they're losing money. They're getting liquidated out their ass. So some people, some of these contracts, these are dollar amounts right here, worth of Bitcoin right here. So what you see is like, oh, it's a contract, 55,000 contracts. That's $55,000 worth of Bitcoin. Someone just got liquidated. Somebody else just right now just got liquidated out of $991,000 worth of Bitcoin. Oh, yeah, this is an active site. People make millions of dollars on here with basically, like, you know, by a factor of 100. If you're that good, and you can, because what that does, your liquidation price is shown down there. Let me fix this screen. I'm sorry, I got this stupid ass shit on the screen. Get rid of this shit. All right, here we go. So let me try to make this a little bit bigger, since it's the centerpiece of attention right now. This is the order book right here. It's just like, see, the thing I love about this is this reminds me of GDAX. Notice GDAX, they don't play neither. GDAX doesn't play. They show you the trade history, they show you the order book, they show you the depth of market, which is right here. And that pretty much lets you know that they, like, unlike a lot of other exchanges, like say Bitrex, or I like Bitrex, don't get it wrong, but you can't really, their order book is there, but it doesn't show it to you like how these two exchanges show you, like with nice graphics and everything. You know, they showing you this shit like in this is like awesome color, you know what I mean? So I like this going down, and this needs to update, I guess. Let me click update. I don't know why this is taking forever to update. But anyways, get this off the screen. So anyway, if you guys can see this, let me see if I can get this to show a little bit better for you guys. That might be a little better. Just so you can see, this thing can be pulled, can be edited right on the chart. That's really how you want to really trade. This is a take profit right here. I am in profit by 0.0034. How much is that? Let's see how much that is right now. It's my crypto buddy. Gotta be patient with me. Some of the good stuff comes right now. Like when you see me going profit, I've been taking heat. I've been almost ready to just throw up and puke out my position. All right, so point. I'm in profit. It tells you how much profit you're in and how much this will turn red if it. But I'm selling Bitcoin, so I make money when Bitcoin goes down right now. 0.0038. So that's 60. I could take profit and make 61 bucks right now. But if I wait all the way down here, now I got a calculator for that I don't mind sharing. Just make sure you guys hit subscribe to my channel if you're interested in trading. This thing has a troll box that's cool too. Like these people right here, these are some whales in here too, man. I'm telling you, these motherfuckers like. And this is Bitcoin futures. These are the futures where they actually people hold the Bitcoin. You know, this is not people on Wall Street. These are the people that own Bitcoin. They come over here and they the drawback to this is once you deposit, you can't withdraw from this site unless you got to basically, they charge you 0.0069. That's about $100 to withdraw. So you get on here, you got to make sure either you're gonna leave your money on here, like me, I'll leave it on here for a week and I'll make my money. And I know once I want to withdraw, I know I got to give them $100 to withdraw. So that's really where their fees come in, because they don't really have fees here. You can trade a bunch of times and it's not going to affect. They got small fees. Their fees are like 0.0025 or some shit like that for the maker taker fee. It's so small that it's not going to bother you. But the only thing that bothers you is that fucking withdrawal. That shit is crazy, man. But it's okay because they're giving you leverage. So that's pretty much all you got to really pay them, But I say get on here, try to come in here like with at least like $200 worth of Bitcoin, and just, you can go low. You can go down to like, $1 per contract if you want. And that's not going to make you any money or make you lose any money. You can just sit here practicing all day, trading along with me and see if I know anything about trading if you want. But let me see. Go get that Opera. Let me go check out the chat. I don't have my laptop with me. Please show us how to work the software. Okay. You can do this from what you can do. BitMEX, they have an app, but they don't let you. That app is the only way you can get it, right? And they're smart because they know there's people out there that'll try to fake like they'll make an app and they'll say it's a BitMEX app, but BitMEX ain't got shit to do with it. They do that a lot. So what you got to do is from your cell phone, go to bitmex.com and if you're not in America, you can trade on BitMEX easy. But go to bitmex.com from your cell phone, and then they're gonna be like, click here. They're gonna make you get the app, and that app is solid. That's what I recommend. And then sign up right from your cell phone. That's perfect for you. And you'll see the same shit you'll see right here, right from your cell phone. But if you're in America and you want to trade on BitMEX, you got to go get Opera. I'm in profit. Yeah, see what they're saying. Lambo mooning on GDAX. Yeah, breaking 65. Yeah, shorts is happy right now. Look at all these longs getting liquidated. Dumbasses. I don't get liquidated. I used to get liquidated. I don't get liquidated no more. That's the only way you really can lose is if you get liquidated. You just got to know how not to get liquidated, and I'll be talking about that. I'm gonna try to streamline my content a little bit better. I'm gonna try to talk a little bit clearer. You might hear my miner in the background. I don't like when I live stream. I don't have the luxury of putting the noise reduction thing on. But let me show you how to work the software. Are you still there? Who's there? Who's watching right now? Let me know in the chat. I'm gonna do a chat pop out and put it on the screen. Chat, pop out the chat, because I want to know who's here. I don't really know. I got the chat popped out. This is how I'm gonna communicate with you guys. You guys tell me what's who's here. Just say I'm here, or some shit like that. Just type anything. I don't care. There is a lag. I see 3 people watching. What's up? What's up? Is International 42 still here? I think this is the chat. Anybody here? Type in the chat down here. Let me know. Yes, International 42. Okay. You want to know how to work the software, or are you going to use your cell phone, or do you have you don't have a laptop with you? So you want to just go to Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, you can probably, you probably have Chrome. I don't know. Whatever you have on your cell phone, go ahead and go to bitmex.com. Here, let me give you the link. I got a link for you. This should work. Let me know if you can link from here. I don't even know if those links work. I'm in profit like 0039. What's that, man? Come on. I need 00. I need like 01, 02, 03. What's $900 on Bitcoin in Bitcoin right now? Let me find my calculator. Come here, calculator. Trying to run. What's $900 in Bitcoin? Let me see. 900.05. That's really what I want to take a profit at. 0.5. 0.55. I don't care anything between 0.5 and I mean 0.05 and 0.055. Anything between there, I'll be happy. When I see that, that's the only way I'm getting out. I've been having this trade since right here, when it was going against me. I went short, like I think I went short right here. Like, how long ago was that? Let me see. All right, I'm gonna look at the chat. Bitcoin futures trade. Okay, yeah, nobody's new on the chat yet. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna slide this kind of like over here. Hey, that chat window looks kind of cool. All right. Let's see. Where to begin? Chat windows disappearing. We disappearing chat window. All right, I'll pull this chat window to the side because it's like in the way. This is where you hit limit orders, market orders, take profit markets. You never seen that. Then most exchanges make this most complicated part, but since you're trading with leverage over here, they kind of make this easy as possible because they know you're dealing with some real dough. Okay, now you can do a trailing stop. If I wanted to make sure I didn't lose any money, I would use a trailing stop, but it kind of caps out your profit because it'll go like, you saw how it goes. It went like this right here. It actually went in profit, right? And then backed up out of profit a little bit, which would have took profit and gave me what? Let me see. It would have gave me like 0.0010. I don't want that. Then I have to enter another trade. I just want to ride one trade out. This contract right here is this right here. It's called the XBT. If you can see that, let's see if I can make that a little darker for you guys. The watermark. They're using TradingView's API to pull this chart. this is the only exchange that I know of that I'll actually use trading views, chart trading features where you can actually trade from the chart. That is golden, I'm telling you guys. Now look, the watermark is right here. All right, let me see. Come on, I changed the watermark. Okay, y'all don't let me change the watermark. Huh? There it is. Darken it up a little bit so you can see the contracts that. This is the XBT Z17. It expires December 29th. We don't even care. We'll be out way before December 29th. But if you held this contract and let it expire, which it'll expire on December 29th, they'll cash you out a Bitcoin automatically if you're, so you don't have to, they're gonna automatically close your position. So wherever you're at, you'll get paid. If you're in profit, they'll just pay you out in Bitcoin, not cash. Now, what I was gonna say is, this is a perpetual swap, which if you go short on a perpetual swap, the person that you traded with, like they went long and you went short at this point, like me, I traded right here, I went short. Somebody else had to, you know, trade with me, so they went long right here. They're probably the ones getting liquidated right now, but they would have to pay me, since I'm going short, they would pay me interest. They'll pay my loan interest. They have to pay the loan interest only on the perpetual swap contract, and that's only if you go short. But if you go long, you have to pay the other person their interest, and the interest is like every 8 hours. So I don't trade that contract that much unless I'm going short. But I traded this. I've been trading this one because I've been going long Bitcoin. So when I go short, I'll be like, oh damn, I forgot I could have went over to perpetual swap and got paid to hold this for a couple of days. I think it's like point something. I gotta pull it up. But this is the one you want to trade right here. XBT. They don't charge any interest for holding it. XBT Z17. You see it right there. Now let's see how far down can we go. I've been waiting on this thing to drop for damn near 2 days. Damn near 2 days, man. All right, what is this? The minute chart? What do I got up? I don't know, 15 minute. Let me pull an hour chart up. Let's see what that looks like. Look how that looks. Look at that hour counter right there. Ew. Damn, I wish I would have got short up here. You know how hard it is to call a top? Because the thing about calling the top is, like, I thought I was calling the top already when I got in this position. That's the problem with calling the top. You think you can call a top. I can't wait to find someone that can call a top every single time. But see, the thing is, knowing the direction is more valuable. Like me, I spend a lot of time figuring out the direction. I do a lot of technical analysis to determine the trend. That's what kind of like what you see on there. You see a lot of the moving averages, but as you can see, it's a lot more than just a moving average. I don't really trade body movement. I just do that to see what's happening right now. But the overall picture, you're gonna have to look at this in like a 4-hour chart to really see the trend and see what trends do. And pullbacks, you gotta kind of learn what a pullback is. I kind of went through this in some of my previous videos, but they're so long, you might not get this information unless you are, you know, you're tuning in all the time. Anywho, anyway. This is how we do it. When we broadcasting this, just let me know. Now you guys know what to do. I don't know who's familiar with trading on here. taking heat. It turned red. All right. I'm deleting this video. Let's see this video. Now, how the hell do I take this damn video down, man? Let me see. Anybody there? Hit me up in the chat. Short liquidation. Where's the Discord at? Oh, you're international? I'm taking heat. 0, 0, whatever that is.